Here are the 5 ways to find ideas how to make money with no code. They are AppSumo, Fiverr, High Profit Side Hustle, Udemy, and Gumroad. AppSumo allows you to see different softwares that are on sale, and it gives you ideas for what other people are selling. If you look at the browse feature, you can take a look at what people are selling with courses, software, creative assets, ebooks, and PDFs, and templates. That's just a few different categories. Fiverr allows you to see what's going on in the gig economy, what people are paying for. This gives you an idea what you can offer as a freelancer, but also software with a service, SWAS. You can be looking at an opportunity to build something either in Bubble or with Uscreen, the list goes on, but also people can be using your affiliate code as well if they decide to work with you. Of course, make sure that they know that ahead of time, but those are a couple different ways to now combine what's going on, what's really hot in the freelance world, but what you can be doing long-term with affiliate marketing. If you don't know where to start, you can look at popular services. You can look at voiceovers, video explainers, social media, logo designs, the list goes on. First, take inventory of what you're skilled at right now and how you can carve that niche on Fiverr and then go from there. As we're looking at this, the bonus version, of course, would be Upwork as well, because Upwork and Fiverr, they do have a lot of overlap. Upwork is still different, but that's another option that would be very similar formula like Fiverr. With our 50+ high profit side hustles, there's going to be a link down below. But this allows you to see all the different side hustle ideas, and we break it down based on category. For example, different templates, micro SaaS ideas, courses, knowledge as a service. For example, there's a video somewhere, there's going to be a link where we talk about top templates that you can be using in no code, including Glide templates, Notion operating systems templates. We can be using Coda templates, software templates, and the list goes on. If you want access, make sure you click down below. And if you want us to explore and do videos more on some of these 50+ side hustle ideas with no code, let us know in the comment section down below. Next, we have Udemy. This allows you to sell different courses online, but this also gives you ideas of what's popular right now. If you sign up now and you teach on Udemy, you will actually get access to see what is popular based on search rank. So it allows you to decide on what kind of courses that you should be making for the platform. Why are they giving you all this information? Because they want to sell more courses where they make more money and you make more money. So it's really important if you're trying to create a beginner's guide, a intermediate, an advanced course, you can be looking at all the analytics that they're giving their teachers, and you can decide where you want to start. For me, if I was going to be using Udemy, we have in the past, I would make a complete beginner's guide or something that I know very, very well. That would be the top of the funnel, and I would keep it on Udemy because that will allow me to have all of this lead generation, what my niche is or what I'm providing. From there, I can have my other courses on different platforms such as Podia, where I am going to go more in depth, or I could also be offering services where if they take the whole course or they like what I do, but they just don't have the time or expertise in that field, they can just hire me, or I can do workshops or something like that. There's a lot of different things you could be doing with Udemy, and just imagine it being the top of the funnel of your brand and what you're trying to do. And also too, it allows you to explore at large instead of spending money on ads and other things to attract people to see if they're interested in your idea. Udemy is doing all those things for you. They're pushing the machine because they're trying to get more people on the platform. So they're going to do a good job by marketing you and all of those things as long as you have great content. If you like these ideas so far, make sure that you like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. Next, we have Gumroad. This allows you to sell very easily, and a lot of the marketing around Gumroad is trying to help creators make their first $1. They make it super simple to get started selling, and they also have a discovery feature. You can look at animations, apps, and software, books and writing and comedy, just to name a few, but now you can see what's trending in the community, what people are buying. I can see popular tags as Blender or Ableton. Free is a big tag, which makes sense, which could be just also like top of the funnel where people are getting involved. You get your lead gen and then people buy other things from you. And then also too, I see Notion templates, 239. This allows you to see what people are buying. It gives me an idea of the rating, and it allows me to move from there. It says Notion dashboards, Notion planner, layout. Those are some of the common tags that people are using. Now that gives me ideas of what I could be doing to find my audience and all of those things. Again, Gumroad's perfect because they're already bringing the audience to me, and then I can go from there. If I'm thinking about how many people are coming to a website to know like how big the volume is, I'm just using similarweb.com, and I'm looking at Gumroad. They're getting over 18.6 million visitors per month, and people are doing 2.93 pages per visit. That's pretty high. So the reason I bring that up is a lot of people are like, well, what's the point of being on, their marketplace or their discovery feature? Look at how many people are visiting. So even if, you're just getting started, or you're like, well, a lot of people don't know who I am, go check out SimilarWeb, start putting in some of the numbers to see how many people are really looking at these sites. And if you pick one or two of some of these sites, Gumroad, AppSumo, the list goes on, and you start putting out content, putting out products, digital products, think about how many eyeballs can be on you and start discovering your stuff. That allows you to be the top of the funnel. So don't just think about, I have to make X amount of money to be on this platform. Think about the awareness or people knowing about you, and then go from there. I wouldn't suggest you signing up for all 5 at once. Pick one, get good at it, then experiment, then start expanding. But you see the opportunities right here just with Gumroad. You can see some of the stats from the other websites if you want as well. If you're looking for other ways to make money online and to get ideas of how you can go about it, we have a video, 6 ways to make money online in 2022. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.